एषः अस्माकं लांग ऐलैंड संस्कृत विद्यालयस्य नवमः वार्षिकोत्सवः. This is our 9th anniversary. 2013 2013 वर्षे पाठशालायाः प्रथमस्तर प्रौढवर्गः चालितः. प्रथमवारम् अत्रैव गृहे. अस्मिन् वर्षे तु 7 वर्गाः सन्ति. 150 अधिक छात्राः भिन्नेषु वर्गेषु पठन्ति. तेषु 3 वर्गाः कुटुम्बवर्गाः. इत्युक्तौ बालाः मातापितृभिः सह सकुटुम्बं संस्कृतं पठन्ति. एषः महान् विषयः, सन्तोषदायक विषयः. सकुटुम्बं जनाः संस्कृतं पठन्ति एतेषु कुटुम्बवर्गेषु इति. अनन्तरं प्रौढवर्गाः 5मस्तर पर्यन्तं 4 प्रौढवर्गाः सन्ति. So we have 7 classes, 3 family classes where kids learn along with the parents. So the entire family learns Sanskritam. They are family classes. Then we have the Praudhavargaha. Why Sanskritam? Why the entire family should learn Sanskritam? Right? Why not just the children? Why the whole family should learn Sanskritam? How does learning Sanskritam help? किमर्थं वयं संस्कृतं पठामः? बहुनां चिन्तनं भवति संस्कृतभाषा केवलं वेदभाषा, भगवद्गीतायाः भाषा, व्यावहारिकभाषा कदा नासीत्. It was never a spoken language. It was just Vedic language. So we should know it because it is Vedic language and Gita's language. It was never a spoken language. This is the biggest misunderstanding. Samskrita bhasha, Vyavaharika bhasha asit. Sanskrit was definitely 100% spoken language. What is the evidence? How do we know that? Vyakarana grantha, any language is based on, is supported by Vyakarana grantha. And Patanjali Mahabhashyam iti ekah grantha vartate, Vyakaranasya Mahan grantha. In Mahabhashya, there are millions of examples of spoken, colloquial, Vyavaharika padanam udaharanani bahuni Patanjali Mahabhashye dattani. So there are a lot of examples of spoken language, certain words, usage of words, right? So in different parts of India, various words that were used locally, there is a mention. So many examples are quoted, which clearly indicates Sanskritam was a spoken language. Vyavaharika bhasha asit. It is not because we love Sanskritam, we want to propagate, it is a fact. Vyavaharika bhasha asit. Idanimapi Vyavaharika bhasha bhavitum arhati. It deserves to be a Vyavaharika bhasha. Then the other misunderstanding is Sanskritam is difficult. We cannot learn easily. We have to spend a lot of time. Yada vayam Sanskritam klishtam iti vadamaha, asmakam chintanam kadam bhavati, vayam chintayamaha, वेदानां भाषा, उपनिषदां भाषा इति अस्माकं चिन्तनं, गीतायाः भाषा. So we think of the Vedic Sanskritam and say, oh, Kleshaha, I don't understand anything the Archaka is saying. We are not talking about that. We are talking about Vyavaharika Bhasha. Any language, whether it is Sanskritam, English, Hindi, any language will have two aspects. The language of the scriptures, the literature, and then there is the language of the people. We know that very well, right? The language of the books, the scriptures, the literature, and the daily usage. In any language, daily usage, the language is simple. Right? Similarly, Sanskritam also, there is the language of the scriptures, of literature, and then there is language of the people. Saralaya bhashaya vayam pratidinam jivane vyavahare bhashitum shaknumaha. We can speak simple, easy Sanskritam in our daily life. So the misunderstanding is because people think Sanskrit is only the language of Vedas or Upanishads or Bhagavad Gita. There is a deep misunderstanding. It was the Vyavaharika Bhasha, Sarala Bhasha. Okay. Number 2. 3. Okay. Then it is difficult to learn. How do we learn? It is so difficult, the samasa, sandhi, and all that. No, it is very easy. The entire grammar, Samskrita bhashayaha sarvam vyakaranamapi ashtadhyayi iti kevalam ashta adhyayeshu maha munina paninina dattam asmabhyam. Just 8 short chapters of sutras. The book will be like very thin, just 15-20 pages. That's all Samskrita Vyakaranam. And not only that, it is structured, it is engineered so perfectly that just by using certain base words, by adding prefixes and suffixes, he can produce unlimited, there is no limit, unlimited number of words. In other words, Samskritam Vyakaranam, what do we have to learn? Simple. How to add those prefixes and suffixes and get various forms. That's it. The entire language has only 2 kinds of words, Subantam, Tingantam, Namapadani, Kriyapadani. Ativa Saralam Asti. Samskrute Sambhashanamapi Saralam. Okay. Then the next question. Okay, all that is fine. I don't have time. It will take days and years to learn Sanskritam. Not at all. If you spend just a couple of hours every week, within a year, you will be able to speak. Yadi vayam sarve pratisaptaham kevalam ghanta dvayam Samskrita adhyayanaya dadmaha kevalam eka varshe eva vayam sarala Samskrita bhashayam saralam sambhashanam sukhena kartum shaktim prapnamaha. It is that simple. Okay, easy. Why should I do that? I'm busy. I have so many other things to do, right? We have life. We have to work. And I want to do spend my time which helps me in my living, in my earning. Right? That's what we are all doing, right? We are all busy earning, working to have a better life. So why should I learn Sanskritam? What do I get? Even if it is easy, why should I learn? मम प्रश्नः अस्ति, why not? वयं किमर्थं कार्यं कुर्मः? प्रतिदिनं कार्यालयं गच्छामः अथवा व्यापारं कुर्मः? किमर्थं कुर्मः? What for are we striving every day, night and day, every hour? What do we want? Jivanam, Sukha Jivanam, a life without hardship. We want to earn enough so that we feel secure and we want all the pleasures. So to do that, we need money. So we are working for that. Yes, we need money. We need to work for it. We need to survive. We need shelter. We need food and all that. Will that give us happiness? Right? We all want happiness, freedom from tensions, pressures. This corona has reminded us big time that all the money we have earned, all the houses we have built, all the influence positions we have acquired with hard work, none of that truly helps. We have seen so many people, millions of people dying alone. We always think that our money, our position, science, all these things will help us. But none of them truly helps. We have seen people, because of corona, hospitalized, and many of them died alone. Not the friends, not relatives, not the money, nothing helped. Because it is contagious, even the closest relatives were not permitted to be by the bedside. So people had to suffer alone and die alone. Nothing helped. Not money, not power, not sons, not daughters, no family. So what is the only one thing which cannot be taken away from us by anything? Not by corona, not by disaster. There is one thing that nothing can take away from us, which is us, right? So that Atmajnanam, Atmavishwasaha, yena vayam kastani api ekakina कष्टानि अपि तत्र सह्य जीवितुं शक्नुमः सा शक्तिः केवलम् आत्मज्ञानेन एव वयं प्राप्तुं शक्नुमः। आत्मज्ञानं कथं भवति? अस्माकं संस्कृतशास्त्राणि सर्वाण्यपि प्रस्थानत्रयमिति उपनिषदः, ब्रह्मसूत्राणि, भगवद्गीता किं बोधयन्ति? Whatever you learn in Sanskritam, whether it is a simple subhashitam, shloka, or shastram, or any literature, take anything, everything in Sanskritam is helping you to know our dharma, Atmajnana. That which will give us peace, Anandaha, that cannot be taken away by anything else. So Corona has reminded us proved to the humanity. We have been thinking all this time that our technology, our money, our instruments, our science will alone will help us. So it was a strong revelation, right? So a language which helps us understand our dharma and samskruti, which gives us that inner strength, that peace that we all are working for, right? At the end of the day, that is what we are working for, right? So Sanskritam is the language, the only language. And our Vaidika Dharma, Ekah eva Vaidika Dharma Bhutale Yena Vayam Asmakam Atmajnanam Praptum Shetnumaha. Vaidika Dharma eva Tatra Sahayam Kartum Prabhavati. Nakopi Anyaha Dharmaha. So, is that not a good reason to learn Sanskritam? Okay. Yeah, that is okay. Dharma is good. Then why should I learn it every day? Why not I spend that time for other things? How does it help me in my daily life? It helps even in our daily life. It is proven by scientific research that those who speak Sanskritam, who chant Sanskritam. There was a research conducted on Veda Panditaha who chant Vedic Suktani day in and day out. So their brains were tested, brain patterns. It was found by research, it is a fact, research papers are published, that the brains of the people who meditate, like jhana, and the people who do Veda Patana, they have similar brain functioning, similar brain patterns. We all are crazy about meditation, right? So we want to do meditation and be peaceful. The state which we get by meditation is the same mental state you get when you speak Sanskritam. When you are speaking Sanskritam and Ucharanam Karoti, really great reasons to learn. So by learning Sanskritam, our brain power improves. We'll be able to do other things better. Okay, so we'll be able to learn other languages better. We'll be able to learn science better. We'll be able to work better and have a better life. So learning Sanskritam helps, makes us better people, makes our brains more powerful, so we can function better. So there is not a single reason why you should not learn Sanskritam. Astu. Tatra aham viramami. Bahavaha dhanyavadaha. Ataha ye idanim Sanskritam pathanti asmakam saubhagyameva. Vayam sarve Sanskritam pathamaha iti asmakam saubhagyameva. Abhinandanani sarvebhyaha.